All right, so we are going to using our Blossom gel. Because I have a little bit gel on my fingers. Oh, maybe I should do that. Should I do rose gold? Rose gold? Or try silver. Okay, I'm gonna do 1 coat of silver. Let's see how it's gonna turn out. My blossom gel. Okay, here you go. It's so stunning, you're gonna see this. If it doesn't work, we'll do it again. But we're doing a blossom gel. If you want your gel to be spreading out really fast, you apply a little bit thicker, but not too thick. But you want to be slow, like spreading. You gonna like apply it a little bit thinner. So I am going to using. Did you wipe this off? You wipe this one off right there. So I am going to using my dot tool. Okay, I can see it better now because it's so sparkle, and then I can't see it because it's so reflection. Use this.
Daisy asked you, does they dry fast or no?
Dry fast?
Mm-hmm.
Do you mean they are?
Like, do they get cured? Why just doing that?
No, they're not. They're gonna loosen like this. So if you want to take the time, you don't want to take too much time because they might like running on you. So just apply enough so you don't have to worry about it's running. So just don't do too much of blossom gel if you don't want them to run it fast. Like now, I mix that my no wipe top coat glitter. So I mix it so then it's getting like a look like this. But if you want more black, then you mix less of a top coat, so just like a feck of clears. Great. Just a little bit here. It just spread it for you. It's basically, it doesn't work for you already. Okay, so you happy with this? We are going to cure this one for 60 seconds. Wipe up on the side. Looks really, let me show you closer. Really cool, stunning. Great. But don't mix them, don't stir them up like I did it earlier with mixing the kind of a jelly look. Just you kind of sort them. Like, just don't blend them together. So if you blend them together, it looks like all black color, so it doesn't turn out the way you want. Just like using your dot tool or your sterling tool and make that effects. Hey, thanks so much. Thank you so much, Daisy. I appreciate it. Yep, we're trying to get all the products to your hands as fast as possible. Kushio. What's a galaxy? Maybe it's like nail art or nail lovers galaxy. Is that what you're asking? So I'm using a no wipe top coat and I'm clean my brush and I'm using that with the black. This is great for cleaning all of your gel brush. So I don't use any alcohols or acetone at all as it's gonna really ruin my brush. So I'm just using is a no pigment gel polish, which is no wet top coat and a matte top coat. So I clean it good. Move this one on the side right there. If you put rose gold, I imagine the rose gold gonna be really stunning though, because look at this. If you want to be not silvers, you can absolutely do rose gold. I'm so curious about this because it's gonna be really stunning. So now we're gonna using our baby mix jars for this. Just a little bit obsidians and this. Just a little bit condensed glue gels. So keep in mind that too, you can have fun doing a lot of different like designs underneath, which is you can do fusionings, blossom gels, and chamfer foil, however you would like, and then you do your baby mix jars. It's fun to do that as well. And then I think it just fun, challenge yourself and learnings along with us. We learn so much from you, so thanks so much for sharing your beautiful work. And also you can do this and keep it at the salon and for your clients to see. But unless you want a no white top coat, we can do the hold on, where am I? Oh, here, my silver. So okay, this is really cool though. So if you don't want a lot of glitter, just get just a little bit. Should we do glitter all the way?
Sure. Do you want to try to blend some rosy on it? See what it come out to?
It might be a little, it's my opposite, huh? Because I like the look of this. This one might be cover my stuff, but you don't have to. It's so stunning, and then it dry. I try to not cover anything. It's just super cute. And you want more black, you add more blacks when you're doing a blossom gel. Where's the? There's 3 of them. I have this one right there. I have this one. I'm collecting my obsidians right now. You know what? I might be able to do this fun one. You don't have to, but I will figure out that it's going to be so much fun when I add some obsidians on it. I would try to not cover a lot of them. And just add some of obsidians pieces, centerpiece from our baby mix jars. I'm so excited, Bella. Are you gonna submit a lot of them? 10 of them, 20 of them, doesn't matter. You can do it and have fun, and good luck everyone. It's gonna be fun. You can do it on the swatches and then keep it for the clients, you know, and you can show them what you got. Doesn't matter, you can do a theme. It doesn't matter what theme you do. You can do it like Halloween theme to keep it for the sample for clients, or if you have like a rubies and AB and blue, you can create that for holidays coming. Christmas coming. So then it's like 2-in-1. You get contest, fun, and then you get that prepared for your clients. Oh, that's different. Hope everyone likes this one. It's different. I've been noticed that I'm been addicted to crystal placements, and I look at my work bag and say, why can't things really like simple? I got a lot of funds and the hearts for that. So even one of my mentors was saying that, Nancy, you will never being simple. The ways you're doing your work on your design, you love flashy, you love a lot of things, that which is fine, which is absolutely normal, because you are who you are. You can't be pretend that someone that being simple. Sometimes I was like this, okay, inspired. I'm not gonna lie to you. I will tell you, I was pretend. I not pretending. I would try to like inspire from a lot of nail artists and all of you too. And so, oh my God, it's so beautiful, gorgeous. I'm gonna try that look. And guess what? I want to sit in my stations and I start doing, inspire that look. And guess what? After I'm done, I don't know if you'll be happy or not, but it doesn't look like what the picture is, because I keep adding it on and I couldn't stop. And I was so like fun with this. Like you would just get yourself lost into it and you didn't realize that you add so much crystal on it, and it turned out good and it's just fun. I don't know why. Okay, so if you're happy with this, clear this for 60 seconds and we're gonna do precision glue together.